Well, the Range Rover's form, proportions and stance are delivered by an incredible attention to design details. The front is confident, communicating unparalleled presence and stature, enhanced by its deeper grille with bold graphics and intersecting headlights. The daytime running lights have a cut glass effect, demonstrating quality, and the modernist approach creates a flush appearance with details harmonized in simple geometric forms. The front fog lights, forward radar and parking sensors are all hidden within the lower aperture, which is described by a clear horizontal graphic in satin chrome. The solid appearance of the body side is achieved by clean, unadorned surfaces, eliminating the unnecessary to highlight key features. Now, the clamshell bonnet has been a feature of every Range Rover since 1970, part of the iconic form. Now today, that shut line is halved from the previous Range Rover, which describes control and precision. This line then continues in a single crease form running the entire length of the vehicle and ends in an ingot shape and the rear quarter. This precise line emphasizes the elegant sweep of the profile and is the only such feature on the side of the car. It's extremely important in giving a controlled and sophisticated feel to the whole design. Another recognizable shape is the signature side graphic that now appears machined, not applied. It's the most modern interpretation of this elemental feature of Range Rover. It sits flush to the body, it's integrated, not disruptive. The lower edge of the profile is then defined by the 3D form of the gloss black sill. This adds lightness, it catches the light and draws the eye along the vehicle into the rising line of the boat tail, integrating into the bumper to wrap around the rear of the vehicle. In profile, you'll immediately notice the floating roof graphic. Now, this is another part of Range Rover DNA. It's emphasized by all of the pillars being in gloss black and the elimination of the D-pillar trim, which is now integrated into a single rear quarter glass. The strong horizontal at the waist is defined by an unbroken waistline and a rounded edge of the doors, meeting the glass in a simple, clean finish, thanks to the hidden waist finisher. The top of the glass is similarly defined, with no roof finisher. Fully flush glazing removes any step between the glass and the pillars, adding to the appearance of a single solid form. Now, the precise execution of these elements was not easy to achieve, but reducing the number of joints and interfaces was absolutely key to creating the modernity we wanted for new Range Rover. The rear is perhaps the most strikingly modern view of new Range Rover. It incorporates all of the elements of our modernist philosophy: clean surfacing, hidden shut lines, and a single crisp feature line which catches the light and describes the corners of the vehicle. The Range Rover has always had a rear defined by vertical taillights, but for new Range Rover they are hidden until lit, encased in a single gloss black panel with a horizontal section that integrates the other functional lights and defines the width of the vehicle. Precision here was critical to the effect. As a Range Rover, of course, the new vehicle has a split tailgate, but on this vehicle you'll see how we've minimized and hidden shut lines, which communicates precision. The rear screen meets the bodywork seamlessly, and below the tailgate, the sweeping boat tail culminates in the bumper, which houses the rear fog lights and reflectors. New Range Rover's exterior is breathtakingly modern, with clean, pure, expansive surfaces and precise detailing. It takes our design philosophy to new levels of emotional engagement. It represents the pinnacle of a 10-year strategy to develop the Range Rover family.